In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF on a Shopify product page. Adding a GIF is a great way to bring your products to life. Maybe you want to show a quick animation of how something works, a 360-degree view, or a fun looping graphic that grabs attention. Whatever your goal, the process inside Shopify is actually very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the main menu on the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. Take a moment to find the specific product where you want to add your GIF. Then click on that product to open its details page. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you see the Media section. This is where all of your product images and videos live. To add your GIF, click on the button that says Add Media. A file picker will appear, allowing you to upload files from your computer. Now, locate your GIF file on your device. Make sure it's saved as a .gif format before you upload it, and ideally that the file size isn't too large, so it loads quickly for your customers. Select the .gif file and confirm the upload. After a short moment, you should see the GIF appear alongside your existing product images in the Media section. Next, you can control where that GIF will appear on your product page. Simply click and drag the GIF thumbnail into the position you want. The order here matters. The first media item in the list will be your featured image, which is usually what customers see first on the product page and in some collection views. If you want your GIF to be the main visual, drag it to the very first position. If you'd rather keep a photo as the main image, place the GIF after that. Once you're happy with the placement, scroll up or down and click the Save button. Saving is important, so none of your changes are lost. After it saves, use the preview option for your product page to see how the GIF looks live. Check that it animates correctly, loads quickly, and appears in the right spot. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Shopify product page.